Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear the cache of any iPhone app. So in order to do this, you have a few methods. We all know that some iPhone apps or some apps have built-in clear cache functions or features, such as TikTok has this and Instagram. However, a lot of apps also don't have any clear cache button, and this can make your app really slow, or if you want to fix any issue with your app, then you can't use that function. So here's how you can clear your cache of any iPhone app using the settings app on your iPhone. We're going to click on general. Now we're going to go to iPhone storage, and now of course we need to go to the app we want to clear the cache of. For example, we're going to clear the cache of my LinkedIn. Then in order to do that, we're going to simply click on offload. What this will do, it will free up storage used by the app. However, it will keep all your data, so you're still logged into all your accounts. And now if you reinstall it again, it will basically fresh restart it for you, and this will fix a lot of issues you have with your apps. So now we're going to wait a few seconds till it's back installed. Should not take more than a few seconds. We can check the progress right here. So yeah, that's going to take a few seconds. Once it's installed, you can simply use it again and you're still logged into all your accounts. So that's how you can clear the cache of any iPhone app on your iPhone, of course. So if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.